Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys this Halloween makeup look. This is actually my first ever Halloween makeup look. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Dusk palette for this makeup look, and I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow mask and just apply it over my crease with a blending brush. I'm going to list down all the brushes below so you guys can check that out in the information section. Now I'm going to go in with amber and just deepen up the crease, blending it out with a fluffier brush. And then I'm going to take a very precise pencil brush and really focus the eyeshadow named Oud from the palette and apply it on the outer edges and on my crease. It's okay if it gets a little messy. We're going to cut the crease with the concealer anyway, but you want to make sure you blend it out. After that, I'm going to grab my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, dip in this black eyeshadow and apply it on the outer edge. It's alright, we can get a little messy here because we've got the shadow shields on. Now I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on a flat brush and take my time and cut the crease to give a really crisp effect to the eyeshadow look, if that makes sense. After that, I'm going to take a rich brown eyeshadow and blend in the black and the concealer together. Taking these two colors from the Dusk palette, I'm going to pop them on my lid. Time for some glitter, and I'm going to use the MAC glitter in gold with e.l.f. Makeup Lock and Seal liquid and pack the glitter on my eyelids. Time to get the skull ready. I'm going to pop on two lines, one from the top of the ear to the corner of the mouth, and the second from the earlobe to the bottom of my lower lip. And then I'm just going to shade in between these two lines. I'm going to take this color up towards my temple and just shade it out for a more detailed effect. After that, I'm going to add two lines, two black lines, and you guys can see the placement in the video. And I will also take this black line up towards my temple where I added the pinkish red shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some depth with black eyeshadow and shade my way through. We'll also keep on adding the pink shade to really blend out the black. Going in with this Maybelline eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to draw on the nose. Since I was using a liquid liner, I did set in with black eyeshadow. Now moving on to the lips, I'm just going to line between the lips and I'm using the same liquid liner. And then I'm just going to draw in the teeth. Now this is a very tricky part and a little difficult to explain, so just watch how I get the teeth. Make it look a little more realistic, I'm going to add some details by branching out the liner towards the top. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take a very precise pencil brush and shade that out with a black and brown eyeshadow. To add further details, I'm going to pop on some concealer between these lines to mimic the teeth. And you really want to take your time and be precise with it. Now I'm going to take some glitter, the same MAC gold glitter, and pop on the glitter just where I placed the concealer. Now if you do not have these gems, which I had put, you guys saw the intro, I had them as my teeth, you can substitute glitter, but I did glitter and gems both to add more detail to my look. So here I am just taking in some jewels. Once we're done with that, we're going to move back to the eyes and add some dramatic lashes. Now I'm going to pop on some color on my lower lash line, and then I am going to take a white eye pencil and apply lots of it. You want to make sure it's really intense. I'm gonna pop on the same glitter on my inner corners and also on the bridge of the nose, just above that nose. After that, I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Gold Sands highlighter, highlight my cheekbones, and then pop on the glitter on the cheekbones also. For the eyeshadow brush, I'm going to deepen out the edges of my nose, and then I'm also going to go ahead and push out the color from the inner corners of my eyebrows to add more depth and detail and dimension to the forehead. We're almost done. Going to add glitter, and this is the final look.